Hello everyone. I would like to show you how to resolve an issue or to restore your ribbon in Revit. By ribbon, I mean the whole of this, okay? There are times you're working and the whole of this disappears. And you ask yourself, where has it gone to? Like this, something like this, or like this. If you have it like this, don't worry. You just need to come here on this little arrow, then you click here. You keep on clicking for about 2 times, 2 to 3 times, or even 4, it really depends. So you see, your ribbon is back. Okay, so if I do that again, it disappears. Okay. And then everything is back. So you keep on toggling. Here, you keep clicking and going around. You're definitely going to bring it back to what you want. Thank you. Bye.